DEWALT TSTAK. The indestructible toolbox that laughs at chaos. If your current toolbox looks like a tornado hit it, it's time for an upgrade that actually respects your tools. The DEWALT TSTAK Extra Large Toolbox is a game changer for pros and DIY warriors alike, built with heavy-duty metal latches, water-resistant durability, and an interlocking stackable design. Forget flimsy boxes that break under pressure. This tank of a toolbox keeps your gear organized, secure, and easy to access. With extra-large storage capacity, it swallows cordless tools, power drills, and hand tools like a beast, while the removable tray keeps your go-to essentials right at your fingertips. Superior strength meets ultimate convenience. Built like a bunker for your tools, the TSTAK toolbox boasts high-impact durability with reinforced latches and hinges that don't snap under pressure. Unlike other toolboxes that crack, warp, or refuse to close properly, this one is designed to handle real job site abuse without breaking a sweat. The bi-material handle gives you a firm, comfortable grip, so you're not awkwardly wrestling with a flimsy box. And if you're all about organization on steroids, the stackable interlocking system lets you build a modular fortress of tool storage, because one box is never enough. Water-resistant and tough as nails. Ever had your toolbox soaked by rain, coated in dust, or dropped from the truck? The TSTAK laughs in the face of disaster with water and debris resistance, keeping your tools dry, clean, and ready for action. Unlike cheap plastic alternatives that crumble under pressure, this box was built to survive job sites, garages, and the occasional accident. And guess what? Your tools stay locked in place, thanks to sturdy side latches that won't pop open when you least expect it. Bonus, built-in lockable security lets you padlock your gear so no one borrows your tools permanently. More storage, less hassle, zero wasted time. Stop wasting precious minutes digging through a bottomless pit of tools. That STAK's smart removable tray design lets you grab your most used tools in seconds. Need big space for big tools? The extra-large compartment fits power drills, saws, and accessories with room to spare. This isn't just a toolbox, it's an efficiency machine that saves you time, frustration, and the headache of misplaced tools. And at a price that won't break the bank, you're getting a professional-grade storage solution without paying a premium. Why settle for less when you can have the best? The DEWALT TSTAK toolbox is the last toolbox you'll ever need, and the one you wish you had years ago. It's durable, water-resistant, highly secure, and brilliantly designed for contractors, mechanics, and weekend warriors alike. Whether you're on a job site, working in your garage, or hauling tools to your next DIY adventure, this next-level storage system has your back. If you take your tools seriously, don't mess with cheap imitations, get the real deal from DEWALT and store your gear like a boss.